course, naturally, I forgot to buckle up my helmet. Very good stop at the stop sign. Very good. Oh shit. He's too big of a badass for me. I should go the other way. Oh, what day is it today of my motorcycle riding life? 4th? It's Saturday. Got it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, what? Thursday, Friday. Technically the 3rd day? Well, no, I count Wednesday as the first day. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it's my 4th day. Leaves! Oh my god, I want to go through those leaves. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Holy crap, I just got blown to the left. So, I just discovered the funniest thing today. So I busted out my lawnmower to cut the grass, and I look, and my lawnmower has 149 cc's. This bike has 124.7 or some shit. But that is redonk that my lawnmower has more cc's. This is literally just a city bike. It is for high traffic. You know, you don't need acceleration. You just need to cruise at a steady pace. You know, just downtown traffic basically. If lane splitting is not legal in your country, then and there's a highly densilated property traffic, highly dense city. Fuck, I can't speak English. Let's say you live downtown Toronto. This bike is pretty good. You're not fucking going anywhere anyways. I'm so bad at shifting gears. I am so bad at shifting gears. The car is in my blind spot. Da 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 da. It's a beautiful fall day. It's just a little bit too windy for me. Hey, 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 hey. I don't think I should be behind a boat. I'm on a boat and actually I'm on a bike and I'm going fast and I'll race a Maserati any day of the week, man. Switch Maserati with Ferrari, and that's a Oscar-worthy song. I don't even want to go into neutral anymore because I'm scared I won't go back into first. I like this route though. It's a nicely paved. It's dope. But I don't smoke. Oh, there's no way I'd fuck it. Fuck that shit. I was not gonna stop there. Fuck that. Mad skills. This is a fun ass fucking game. Oh shit. Man, me switching gears sounds so bad. Like, it doesn't sound smooth. It's like, oh, shit. Wow, they didn't go. I expect every car to pull out in front of me. And I guess that's a good thing. Oh shit, bitches! What the fuck? That was gnarly. I don't know what that was. I want to say Viper, but I'm not sure. What I am sure is I need to turn the fuck around. Totally illegal. I swear, officer. I got lost. I needed to turn around. I'm a new rider. It's all good, right? Besides, it's Saturday. Cops had the day off, right? I was like, get out of swear now! That was a little sketch. I didn't realize the lane was closing. And I need to know the time. I'm usually good at keeping track of what time it is, but when I'm riding, no clue. This thing got in my way. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, di, do. You're supposed to yield to him, dumb fuck. To Rimo Road, I want to go there. Yeah, can you do this, bitch? I thought shifting one down, one gear would have been enough. Like, how am I supposed to know this shit? I shift down too much, and now I don't shift enough. I'm finding that middle ground, you know? I don't know if that's my motorcycle that sounds like that, or if it's the air. And I really hope it's the air. Look at this. I could just go in there.